Unveiling, in leaps and bounds, mastering a key English phrase. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood, in leaps and bounds. This expression is a vibrant part of the English language, often used to describe rapid and significant progress or improvement. If you're ready to expand your vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker, then you're in the right place. Let's jump in. The phrase, in leaps and bounds, is used to describe a very fast and significant improvement or growth. Imagine a kangaroo hopping quickly and effortlessly across the landscape. That's the kind of energetic and bounding progress we're talking about. When someone or something improves, in leaps and bounds, it means they are making quick and substantial advances. Understanding the origins of phrases can often help us remember them better. The phrase, in leaps and bounds, comes from the way animals, especially those that can leap or bound, move quickly and with great energy. Over time, it has been used metaphorically to describe any type of rapid progress or growth, not just physical movement. To fully grasp how to use in leaps and bounds, let's look at some examples. 1. Educational growth. Her English skills have improved in leaps and bounds since she started the new language course. 2. Career advancement. He's advanced in leaps and bounds at the company, quickly moving up from intern to manager. 3. Personal development. Since starting meditation, I've grown in leaps and bounds in terms of my personal well-being. Using in leaps and bounds in your conversations can add depth to your descriptions of growth and progress. Here are some tips. Use it to highlight significant improvements, changes, or growth. It can be used in both personal and professional contexts. Pair it with examples to illustrate the extent of progress. We hope this exploration of in leaps and bounds has enriched your understanding and will help you use this phrase confidently in your own conversations and writing. Remember, language learning itself often progresses in leaps and bounds, with periods of rapid growth followed by consolidation. Keep practicing, stay curious, and your proficiency will improve in leaps and bounds. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.